Let's practice health commands. When you go to the doctor's office, how do you communicate with the receptionist and the nurse, also the doctor? Let's practice the health commands. Please wait in the second waiting area. After you check in, the nurse will tell you, please wait in the second waiting area. Please sit down. Wait for the doctor. After that, the nurse will take you to the doctor's office, doctor's room. Then the nurse tells you, please sit down. Please sit down. Wait for the doctor. Wait for the doctor. Doctor comes in to check you. This is the doctor's commands. Lift your leg. Lift your leg. Lift your right leg. Lift your right leg. Bend your left knee. Bend your left knee. This is bending. Lift your right leg. Lift. Bend your left knee. Bend your left knee. Lie down. Turn to your right. Lie down. Turn to your right. Say ah. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Make a fist. Make a fist. Open your eyes. When you go see the eye doctor, the eye doctor will ask you to do open your eyes. Don't blink. Blink means don't close the eyes, open the eyes. Don't close the eyes, open the eyes. So, don't blink. Look at my right ear. Look at my right ear. Look at my left ear. Look at my left ear. Please relax. Please relax. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. This is at the dentist's office. Step on the scale. Step on the scale. So this is the scale. Scale. Step on the scale. Sit straight. Sit straight. Relax your arm for blood pressure check. Relax your arm for blood pressure check. Stand still. Stand still. Don't move. Don't move. Wear this gown to get an X-ray. Wear this gown to get an X-ray. Please take care. You will get better soon. You will get better soon. Good job, everyone. Practice well.